Hey, let me ask you something. Ever spent 20 minutes staring at a blank PowerPoint slide just to end up with something that still looks kinda meh? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if you could skip the whole design mess and let AI build your presentation in under 3 minutes? No templates, no dragging and dropping. Just type your idea, and boom, it's done. That's exactly what I'm about to show you. I'm using a tool called Gamma AI, and if you've never heard of it, trust me, this one's a game changer. Oh, and if you're new here, this is NextGen AI Lab, where we turn smart AI tools into everyday wins. So whether you're building a business, prepping for a class, or just hate making slides, you're in the right place. Stick around. The best part's at the end. Let's dive in. All right, here's how you get started. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Just open up your browser and head to gamma.app, hit enter, and boom, you're on the official dashboard. Click Start for free. If you've got a Google account, it's literally 2 clicks and you're in. No forms, no friction, no stress. And once you're inside, the interface is insanely simple. No clutter, no confusion. You just type what you want, hit generate, and watch Gamma do the magic. Seriously, the first time you see it build your entire slide deck in seconds, you'll wonder why you ever opened PowerPoint in the first place. First, select the content you want to create. In this case, we'll choose Presentation. And don't skip this part. Just above the text box, there's a drop-down menu called Page Style. Click that, and you'll see a few options. Default traditional 16 by 9 or tall 4 by 3. If you're not sure which one to choose, leave it as default. You can always change it later in the editor. Then just paste your content into this box. You can write a full outline or just drop in your rough thoughts. Even a messy list works. Scroll down a bit. You'll see 3 smart options. Generate from outline, great if you have bullets. Summarize, if you're pasting long text. Or preserve text, if you want it exactly as is. Once you pick one, hit Continue to Prompt Editor. And boom, Gamma does the rest. All right, here's how to use the prompt editor in Gamma AI without getting overwhelmed. Under text content, you've got 3 main choices. Generate, let Gamma write the slides for you. Condense, summarize long paragraphs into something clean. Preserve, keep your original text exactly as is. Quick tip, if you're starting with just a few bullet points, go with Generate. Pick how much text you want on each slide. Minimal or concise for quick, easy-to-read slides. Detailed or extensive for longer, more in-depth decks. Not sure? Stick with concise. It works great for most use cases. Set the language to English, US, if you're making content for an American audience, like we do at NextGen AI Lab. Now let's make it look good. Pick a theme, clean, basic light, colorful, Malibu, or bold, Aurum. For visuals, choose AI images. Then pick an art style like illustration, friendly, or photorealistic, realistic. Between, you'll see your slides laid out as cards. You can drag them around, delete, or hit plus add card to create a new one. Final step, click Generate, and Gamma builds your full deck. Polished visuals, smart content, 0 design stress. All right, once Gamma finishes your slides, you'll drop right into the editor. From here, it's super chill. You can click on any text or image to tweak it. Want to move things around? Just drag it. Not feeling the theme? Swap it in 1 click. And when you're happy with how it looks, boom, you're ready to share, download, or present right away. No extra tools needed. Simple as that.
All right.
That's a wrap. If this helped, feel free to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Got questions? Just drop a comment. I've got you. See you in the next one.